Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our chapter and also we have started our book exercise. We have completed 3 questions of our book exercise. In today's class, we have completed. We will complete our remaining questions. Question number 4 to question number 9. We completed in this class. Now, question number 4. Can microorganisms be seen with the naked eyes? If not, how can they be seen? No, microorganisms cannot be seen with naked eyes. Why? Because microorganisms are very small in size. They are very small in size. It can be seen by using microscope. It can be seen by using microscope. Seen by microscope. So we can use microscope for seeing the bacteria. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, what are the major groups of microorganisms? There are 5 major groups of microorganisms. The first one is bacteria, second one is fungi, third one is protozoa, fourth one is algae, fifth one is virus. So the 5 major groups of microorganisms, the first one is bacteria, second one is fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. There are 5 groups of microorganisms. Now question number 6. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. The rhizobium bacteria can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, which is useful for increasing fertility of soil. So the name of bacteria is rhizobium. Rhizobium fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. So the answer is rhizobium. Question number 7. Write the usefulness of microorganisms in our life. What is the uses of microorganisms in our life? We have already discussed in our chapters what uses of microorganisms. There are various uses of microorganisms in our life. The first one is in cleaning the environment. Various bacteria are useful for cleaning the environment. Second, in conversion of milk into curd. The lactobacillus bacteria are useful for conversion the milk into the curd. Third is in making cheese, pickle, various food items in food industry. Microorganisms are very useful. Next, in fermentation process. In the fermentation of idli, in the fermentation of soda, in the fermentation of cake, microorganisms yeast are very useful. In production of alcohol, on large scale, on industrial level, alcohol wines are prepared by the using of microorganisms. Next, in antibiotics, various antibiotics, for example, streptomycin, penicillin, are produced by the microorganism. Next, in nitrogen fixation, rhizobium bacteria fix the nitrogen in atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increase the soil fertility. Next, in decomposition of decayed matter, the waste material decomposed by the microorganisms. So there are various uses of microorganisms in our daily life. Now next question is, write a short paragraph on the harmful effect of microorganisms. Microorganisms are very harmful for our life. It causes various harmful disease. It causes harmful disease in human beings. It causes harmful disease in animals and plants. In animals, different type of disease causes by bacteria. For example, cholera causes by Vibrio cholera. AIDS causes by HIV virus. Same example, foot and mouth disease causes in the animals by the virus. Same various plant disease causes by the plant viruses. So these are the various disease caused by the microorganisms, and these are the harmful effects of microorganisms. Next, what are the antibiotics? What precaution must be taken while taking antibiotics? What are the antibiotics? Antibiotics are the chemical substance which stop the growth of harmful microorganisms. These substances are known as antibiotics. And what precaution should be taken for taking antibiotics? We should always take the antibiotics only by the prescribed doctor. If a doctor advises for taking antibiotics, then we should taking the antibiotics. Next, we should complete the precautions. We should complete the prescription which is given by the prescribed doctor. So we should complete the prescription which is prescribed by the doctor. These are the various we can say precautions we should be take while taking antibiotics. So your book exercise has been completed. 9 questions of your book exercise I have completed, and I have also sent in WhatsApp group solutions of these exercises. Thank you so much.